Getting up the hill is never an easy thing. We're trying to figure out how to get this wood up to the top, and we've decided that we're going to balance one end of a bundle on the blade, lift the other end of the bundle, which is stuck inside one of my sawhorses, which is turned upside down, using the sawhorse as a cage. I'm going to strap everything down right now, then we're going to bring the bucket over and lift up the front end, and then somehow we're going to try and negotiate a 180-degree turn and head up the mountain nose first without spilling everything all over Hell's Half Acre. What's holding that up?
I just made it. Barely. Nice.
I honestly didn't think loading and unloading wood would take this long, but in actuality, I moved a tiny house from a town-based parking lot to the mountain. So it took all day. It's 5 o'clock. I started at about 8 o'clock this morning. I picked up the truck at 8 o'clock. So it's been a long day, and all we did was move lumber. Okay, Sunday morning, we're back and there's lots to do today. Dave is going to start with some concrete work and finish smoothing the inside of the foundation, making a nice bowl shape so any potential water that may get in there drains properly. A viewer gave me a great comment about making sure I wire the front of the drain, otherwise mice will be running up in there. Hadn't even thought of that. We never see mice here. I know there are rats in Tokyo, but I just never see mice the way I would see them in Alberta. So yeah, I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to get started on the wood structure, which is the floor sill plates. I have to investigate whether I need to peg those together or not. They're mortise and tenon together, and the weight of the house is going to hold them together, but I just have to check, make sure, should I be pegging them or not. So as I try to center this on the foundation, I look for the reveal. We built the foundation with a 1-inch reveal all around, and you can see right down in there the foundation. So I'm trying to just make it even. It was skewed on my first attempt. I didn't even pay attention to the reveal, and now I've just kind of squared it up, and it's looking. It took a little finessing, but I finally got it square. It's sitting square on the foundation, and it's square unto itself. So I'm very happy about that. Now I'm just going to drop in the final floor joists. There's 4 of them, and essentially this is done. I haven't pinned it or pegged it together yet. That can be done anytime, but I'm going to finish this up right now. The floor is done. I think I want to leave these strapped for now, just until I get them pegged. I don't want anything moving. So yeah, I think we're done for the day. So it has been a very long weekend. Yesterday I left the house at 7:30 a.m. Didn't get back till 7 p.m. and it was full on. My lunch break was just a sandwich on the side of the road, like 6 or 7 minutes. And today is not long. It's only about 3 o'clock right now. But I don't want to go any further. I'm feeling a bit tired, probably because of yesterday. But this is exactly where I wanted to be at the end of day today. Starting in just a couple of days, I've got the big Golden Week holiday coming up for Japan, which means like 11 days of holiday back to back. It's just a nice long spring break. So I will be here putting this together, and I hope you're here with me. Thanks for staying.